Next app we'll be creating is a weather app. This will be the first time we're using an API. This means that it will fetch data from the internet and update it so our app has accurate intel. We'll just copy this part of the code, start a new chat, and mention that please make the UI in ChatGPT. Okay, 9 o'clock. I've been coding all day. I put this in wrong. Let's start from scratch. We're using Kiwi. So let's run it. I think it'll have to import requests at some point. Here we go. I like the way it's splitting up this code for us. Okay, this should be everything we need. It will access the API. We're going to need an API key, I think, for this weather app though. Enter location. We need to get an API key. Okay, so I think this is my API key, and if we run the program now, we might be able to get some weather. Okay, it looks like it might take an hour or a couple hours for this to work, so we'll just give it time. After waiting to get our API key approved, we got the app working. So now we can type in an address, let's say Houston, and fetch the weather. The temperature is 269.81. I believe that's in Kelvin. That seems absurdly high to be anything else. It's pretty cold today, but we want the temperature to be in Fahrenheit. Also, maybe some color gradient indication to go along with whether or not it's hot or cold. We need this color function. Kiwi.graphics, okay. That solves all our problems. Let's see how it goes. Now we check Houston. We failed. Oh, we need to add this function as well to the canvas. Where's canvas? Okay. We had another issue. Let's see what happens here. The most annoying part is saving this API key. I kind of wish it had a way to pause. Okay, maybe we can fix this function. Here we go. Finally got the API key right. Okay, we got blue because it's cold. Now let's say somewhere that it's hot. I assume that it's hot in Ecuador. White, okay, maybe that's less hot. Where's the hottest place in the world? We still can't get hot. Let's see if we can change the parameters. If temperature is over 40, let's just say. Okay, we got orange. So it's not really hot enough anywhere to get the other temperature that we wanted.